Okay, so I'm going to be demoing SimpleSlide, and SimpleSlide is our final project for CS164 Fall 2014. And what it is a language for writing slideshows quickly, and the language is highly inspired by Markdown syntax, but with some extensions that we've added. So what we're looking at here is a slideshow that's actually written in SimpleSlide, and if we go and take a look at the editor, this is the SimpleSlide code that generated this slideshow we're seeing. So right off the bat, we can see if I change this slide here, it changes the slideshow immediately, so I can live edit the slideshow. And then you can see these are examples of the syntax for SimpleSlide, so it's very Markdown inspired. There's lists, and then we extended Markdown with tags. So the special character that we have to denote tags is an underscore, and they're closed by, so you open a tag with underscore, you close it with underscore. And with tags we have images and links, and embedded videos from YouTube. And then there's also code highlighting. There's a tag for having code highlighted. And then another thing we added is fragments, so you can have your content incrementally displayed on slides, and you can specify the order, so you can see that this part of this sentence comes before this part of the sentence, and that was specified by us with this numbered fragment here. And then so there's a parser that parses this syntax into an AST, and then the AST is interpreted by the interpreter. And before the interpreter changes the AST into HTML DOM elements, modules get to change those ASTs. So it's basically like desugaring. So one of the things we have is we can extend the language modules, and one of the modules is auto fragmenters. And auto fragmenting was just something we thought that would be very useful. So all of the lines in this slide are auto fragmented, so they're automatically made into fragments. Same thing about this slide. And so we also have directives that you can use to sort of control, like this directive here turned the auto fragmenting on. So yeah. And then one other thing that we have is you can write your slideshows with inline JavaScript. So you can generate slides quickly in that way. So we can take a look at this slideshow where this JavaScript code here generates this slideshow that we have here, which basically just makes a new slide for each image, so we can kind of watch the early parser go through its work. So hopefully that was less than 3 minutes, and that's a SimpleSlide.